Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So this is the house tour, the empty house tour that I wanted to film for you guys. Just a disclaimer, this isn't like our forever home, but we're just so excited about it, and obviously we've wanted to move into a house for the longest time, so this is so exciting. It's also raining, as you can see, but anyway, let's go on with it. This is the front door as you walk in. A little light out there. Oh, I locked myself out. I locked myself out. Hello.
Doesn't it?
I don't know.
Be careful then.
I know, I was going to say. Right, Lottie, come in. So, hello. Mum's come to help. So as you walk in, this is what it looks like. So in here we have the kitchen. The tripod, obviously, for my camera, and this is what it looks like. They are getting someone to come and clean it today though, and then we've got a little fridge and a freezer, which is nice. And then these, we're going to get loads of like boxes to put in all of these, so we can have like beans and things like that in them. And then I think we're going to get a little bar to go here with some stools. I think that will look quite cute. And then a little cupboard up there. So yeah, it's just a really cute kitchen. Nothing major. Mother. And then in here, the hallway bit, this is the first bathroom. Simple. I've actually bought some like tile stickers to go on here. They're mirrored, honestly, they're so nice. And then obviously I'm going to change all of the mirrors in the house anyway, but yeah, these are just like temporary ones. Lottie's here, so then you walk into here, and then here is like the lounge. Sorry, it's so echoey. And then this corner bit is like the dining area. She's so happy. Are you happy? So our telly is going to go up on the wall here. We'll put some like prints and stuff on the wall there. I think we're allowed to take these down because yeah, I'm not really a fan of like the wood. And then this area will have like the sofa, coffee table and stuff like that. And then I'm going to get lovely curtains to go either side of them. Are you ready? Come then. And then out here is the garden area. So it looks like this. Really simple. They're getting people to come and like do the weeds and stuff like that, so hopefully that'll be done soon. But we never had a garden area before, so it's just really nice to have a little area. So we're going to have a nice sofa thing to go here with an umbrella, and then Bradley's barbecue will go there, so I think it will look really nice. Lottie loves it already. Do you love it, Lottie? And then up here there's like little hooks, so we'll get rid of these and get like little fairy lights, which is cute. But anyway, it's raining, so I'm gonna go in. I'll leave it open for her. Okay, and then you walk in here in the hallway. What?
Have you done the bathroom?
Done the bathroom. We're gonna put like, I think a radiator cover here, and then a little mirror. I think that'll look quite nice. And then we've got like a triangle table to go there. And then shoes off. You're gonna come upstairs with me? And then this is the upstairs. So go into here. So this is it's the landing, isn't it? That's what it's called. Yeah. The first landing is like this. This room in here will be my beauty room, which I'm so excited to like decorate. So there's two windows, this mirror. Hello. But we're gonna get rid of these wardrobes. Mummy's actually, and Bradley. Just because I don't know. I'm not a fan, and we don't need the wardrobes in here. So, yes. I wish they were in the smaller bedroom. And then you can see out the garden from the window there. It's just quite nice. Like, it's really bright in this house. I don't know how I'm gonna have this set up yet, so I'll keep you updated, but I don't know how to have it. I think maybe the dressing table, the main one here, then the backdrop can be like there. I don't know. What do you think, Lottie? It's hard. Look at my hair. Curled it, and we're moving on the only day that it's rained, like this year. Not this year, but you know. Okay, so that's the downstairs bit. In here we've got a little cupboard It's really hard to open.
Because it's carpet.
I've got like a... Oh. Do you like that? There's a horrible mirror there that was in the bathroom, so we're going to get rid of that. Mum absolutely hates it. But in here, it'll be like the towels, bedding and stuff like that. We'll get rid of this, and then we'll put the hoovers and mops and stuff like that in here. So it'll be a little bit more of a cleaning. Oh my God, it's like...
Maybe an airing cupboard as well, you got your towels.
Oh yeah, that's what we'll have, the towels and bedding on the top bit.
Yeah.
And then the
Spare
cleaning
bedding.
bits. Yeah.
Oh, you got the mirror.
Bradley took it.
Oh, cool.
He hated it.
That's it, come on.
Okay, and then in here, turn the light on. We have the second bathroom.
Oh, no, that one.
I suppose when it's got a chandelier over it. Yeah. Oh yeah. So yeah, this is like the main bathroom. So we'll put a little cabinet up here, I think, and then a little bath. Not really much to say about this room. I'm not like, this isn't like too bad actually.
It's nice. You just need
it's quite
your
simple.
bath thingy there. Nice,
Yeah, I'll put my bath tray.
Nice mat on the floor and a few candles.
Yeah. I think it's, yeah.
Maybe a
And then a
mirror.
little chandelier.
Mirror there.
Oh yeah, a long one. We could do that thin one I have in.
Yeah.
And then we'll put like a cabinet here. I found one from B&M, so we're going to go on Friday.
Nice and warm there.
Oh yeah, you turn the heating on.
My coat's at your head.
Oh yeah. And then the next room here, got another window. Where's my car? Hello. And then this room here is going to be like our wardrobe room. So we're just literally going to have wardrobes like from here across there. And then here we're going to have, I think, a sofa bed. So it's quite a simple room.
That wardrobe would fit nicely along that wall.
Yeah.
Or that wall.
So the
Maybe
wardrobe...
this wall, 'cause you need the plugs. So I'd do it along there.
Yeah, so the wardrobes that are in the beauty room, I think we're going to try and put in this room because...
They're too high to slide up the door.
I know, they're massive. Absolutely massive. So yeah, that's like this landing. And then the next floor you go up, this will be mine and Bradley's room. This secret cupboard's really funny. So you come in first, and this is like the little cupboard. The only thing is, I wish it opened... Come on, Lottie. She doesn't like this floor.
Yay!
The only thing is, I wish this opened this way.
Yeah, but it's apparently fire regulation. If it
Really?
opens that way, you can knock someone down the stairs, apparently.
So this is all the room that we've got, but I mean, it's quite a big
That's
cupboard.
nice.
Yeah, Mum's little, so she can have that room. And then this room is our bedroom. I feel really annoying because it's so echoey. So there's like a nice window. Oh yeah, I always forget about this. I know. A little wardrobe. It's got a little light in there, so we'll put like chest of drawers and stuff. And then our bed's gonna go here with our bedside tables. You can come in. And then our telly will be up on the wall there. Like I said, we're allowed to take all of these down because I'm not a fan. And I've got a curtain pole thing to go up here for curtains. And then I think we'll put like a nice chair there.
Ah, that turns the shower on.
What does?
Look, when Bradley's in the shower, you can turn it off.
No! Does it turn it on and off?
Yeah, it must do.
Oh.
It's right behind it.
Oh. And then here is our ensuite. So we've got the shower. It's quite simple, to be honest.
Oh, look, you can charge your...
My shaver. Thanks,
No,
Mum.
it's for
Electric toothbrushes. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not a fan of this mirror, so I think we'll get red. Hello. But yeah, it's just quite simple. Nice little radiators. So yeah, so ensuite. Shut that door. And then our bed obviously will go there. And then this is like the view going down. So this is what it all looks like. Bradley's gone to get us some coffees. But yeah, my filming room. So this will be gone. Yeah, I think it'll be warm. So you put the heating on not that long ago, and it's really heated up. So we need to like make sure we've got a nice like place to put our shoes. But yeah, I've got like a triangle glass table going here. And I've got a radiator cover going there. So yeah, exciting. Exciting times. What's that?
Dishwasher soap. I'll just put it in there.
So you always need your mum with you?
Just to clean it.
Just to clean it. So yeah, this is what it looks like. So happy with it. So that is the tour. I'll try and come out a little bit. That's the tour all done. The next video will be like unpacking and stuff like that with us. We've literally got 3. I've got my car, my mum's got her car, and then Bradley's got his van. So all of our cars are literally outside full of stuff. So we're just going to start unpacking today, which obviously I'll film as well. But yeah, hope you enjoyed it. There's mother. There she is. She's testing all the lights. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed our home tour, and make sure you come back for the next video where we'll be unpacking and decorating and stuff like that. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you then. Say bye. Where are you? Bye. Lottie, say bye. Bye bye. Lottie. She loves it. Are you happy? Look at her. She's all wet. Her paws are all wet. Are you happy in the new house? In the new housey?